keeping in line with the freedom to pour and the freedom to compare and be amongst other like-minded craft beer enthusiasts, we believe in perfecting our brand locally. The best way to find these other fanatics is by branching out and opening our fourth location. Rather than moving and opening out of state like many breweries do, our goal is to remain close to San Diego. From our analysis, Vista, San Marcos, and Encinitas met a detailed list of criteria that our company is looking for. San Diego County has an incredibly high number of craft brew fans. With our unique self-poured system, we offer an opportunity many of our knowledgeable customers love. And thanks to the success of our other locations, there are already local regulars in many of the nearby cities. Of the 65,000 people of drinking age in Vista, there are more 20 to 30-year-olds than any other age group. On top of that, more than half of the population is under age 50, presenting a large number of customers with potential interest. This chart displays the percentages of the different age groups in Vista, showing us 6% more people in the 20 to 30 age range than the next closest. 24% of Vista's population are college students. This age group has also been found to drink 40% more than any other age group, making Vista a viable option. And with so many breweries, it's a one-stop shop where you can try many of the local flavors, nesting Vista needs. San Marcos has population average age of 34.6 years old and has shown growth in population and household income, with both expected to continue to increase. The many non-English speaking residents show some of the diversity of this city. The chart on the right shows the percentage of the population by race. There is also a really strong college presence, providing an immediate customer base. Our research also found that many residents in San Marcos typically enough disposable income to accommodate going out for a couple drinks. Encinitas has a high percentage of the population over the drinking age, over the legal drinking age. Many of these people earn well over $100,000 a year. The chart below shows a range of the average household income. And as you can see, there's a decent amount of the population over the $100,000 mark. Based off the findings that many craft brew lovers are Caucasian, and Encinitas has a high number of wealthy Caucasians, we can predict strong sales. The location itself is another thing to note, as it is surrounded by other cities with very similar demographics. So paying the extra cash for this prime location may be worth considering. The city of Vista has a large number of breweries and plenty more on the way. It sort of puts a limit on how many customers it can bring in. And San Marcos is still on the up and coming, so it's unknown as to whether our business will truly take off or not. And though prime for potential customers, the cost of rent alone for an Encinitas location is much more than what you would find in either Vista or San Marcos. All three of these cities offer potential in a different way, each following the guidelines we believe our company wants. Having a one-stop shop in Vista would make things easier for those who are just driving down the hot highway. And though typically there are many different preferences when it comes to alcohol, especially across cultures and age groups, San Marcos' young college crowd is large enough to be its own customer base. The majority of Encinitas' population is made up of Caucasians, and with many residents earning healthy paychecks, money wouldn't be the issue for the residents of this city. Vista, San Marcos, and Encinitas are the top three candidates for a new location. Thanks to the success of our current location, knowledge about who we are should spread quickly. Ultimately, the final decision may come down simply which location